video, I'm going to show you how you can use the item reclassification to move inventory from one location to another, one bin to another. You can also extend that and be able to reclassify a serial number or a lot number if it was entered incorrectly or reclassified. So here we are in Business Central. So what you would do is you would search for what's called the Item Reclassification Journal. You can indicate a document number if it doesn't auto-assign with the number series. You would enter in the item. So here you can see you've got location code, bin code, new location code, new bin code. So you're going to indicate where the inventory currently lives. So right now it lives in my receiving bin. I could choose to say that I want to change the location entirely, just the bin. And again, if this was lot or serial tracked, I could even go into the item tracking lines and reclassify the lot or the serial number. For now, what I'm going to do is just move it from my receive bin, and I'm going to indicate that I put it away to another bin, and I'm going to indicate my quantity. As a sanity check, I'm actually just going to go in and I will go to my bin contents here. So here is just showing you that right now my on-hand quantity is in my receive bin. I'll go ahead and post that. The line was successfully posted. And just again, as a sanity check, if I go in, I can see it's filtered to the location that's on the line. So I'll add yellow back. And if I look at my bin contents, I can now see I don't have anything in the receive bin, and I've got inventory in my A13 bin. I could also use this that I want to reclassify to a different location. So here, if I post, and now if I look at the item availability on this item, I could go to, let's do item availability by location. That would be a good way to see it. So now I see that my inventory lives in my main warehouse and it's no longer in my yellow warehouse. So again, I won't show it in this video, but if it were lot tracked or serial tracked, on the line you can go into the item tracking lines and you will see lot number, new lot number, or serial number, new serial number, and just the same way that I did with the location and the bin, you would interact with it the same way. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button. Click here to follow our channel and click here for more great videos.